Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted, and that's because my fiance and I actually just moved into this new place here. It's a rental house and really excited about it. So yeah, this past like month or so, we've just been moving in and settling in, and I thought it'd be fun today to show you around. It's kind of like a mini house tour, kind of like a before, because not that much is done yet. There's not too much that we can do though, since it is a rental. I'm not sure if we'll be allowed to do anything with, like, they have old carpet and stuff that would be nice to change out, but don't know if we'll be able to. And like painting the walls and cabinets, we'll have to find that out at a later time, because we might be doing a kind of like rent to own situation. So it's kind of just like a mini little house tour, also kind of like a Christmas decoration tour, even though it's getting pretty close to Christmas, but I just thought it'd be fun to show you around. So this is what you see if you would first come in from the front door. And like I mentioned, this is a rental, and this is a pretty old house, so it needs a lot of updating, but we don't know how much we'll be able to really change yet. It does have one of those electric chair things that go all the way up the stairs, but this is like an overview of the room here. So you start out with the living room, and then over in this area is like the dining room and kitchen, and our cat Joey. So yeah, over here we just have our little shoe rack and table that got scuffed up when moving. And then we have our couch right here. It's the same one we had. Need to get a new one. And then on this wall we just have our stockings and this little wreath, and we put a "Let It Snow" sign in front or inside of it. And then we draped some lights around here with a snowflake. And we still haven't taken these air conditioners upstairs yet. We don't need to use them, but just to get them out of the way and store them. So here's from this side. Just have the couch, and on the coffee table I just have a Bath and Body Works candle, some little, I think they're called, what are they called, bottle brush trees, and some matches. I thought that was cute. And then here's our tree. And don't mind the blinds, like I said, we're still working on it. And yeah, we have these broken ones here, and then these ones we were trying out to see if we liked them, and we didn't get the right length, so still need to work on that. And then we just have our TV over here with a Merry Christmas sign above it. And most of these decorations are from Dollar Tree, so really affordable. Some are from Hobby Lobby, like this sign here. So then walking into the dining room, like I said, just moved in, so nothing's really decorated yet. We just have our table. All of these gifts go over with us when we go on Christmas to family houses. Our little lamp in the corner here. Picture of us, and little fake plant from TJ Maxx, and then a wax warmer. Hi, Joey. Some wrapping paper. This is a great video, I'm telling you what. And then these shelves here, which I want to get some pictures developed to put on there. I thought that would be cute, but for now, just have this little light up tree, and then these flowers are supposed to go on the table, but I need to get a vase for them. And this little picture probably isn't gonna stay here, but it's just there for now. I can't talk. Don't you love this blue carpeting all through the place? It's beautiful. And then here's a kitchen. There's just another entrance from the other way. So we got our fridge here with some cookies on top that we made. This hot cocoa sign is from Hobby Lobby. It's really cute. We have our cat's food and water right here. This is our little coat closet. I need to get a door for it. And then over here is just this little, I don't even know, I got that so long ago. Basement door. I'm not gonna show you that because it's just creepy. It's not finished or anything. And then we do have a couple boxes left with like pots and pans because we're gonna get this cabinet to go right here to put those in because there's not that much storage here. But here's a little overview of the kitchen. What do you want? He probably wants some more food. He ate it all earlier. So yeah, like I said, really old. This is just some cabinetry and our little coffee station here. Just the stove, more cabinets. I can do a more detailed organization tour of the kitchen sometime later since it's all new. I didn't do too much decorations in the kitchen. And then we just have our Mrs. Meyer's peppermint hand soap and lotion because I'm obsessed with anything peppermint. Sink with a little tree and the peppermint Mrs. Meyer's candle there. For our washing machine here, which we don't have a dryer yet. We just got the washing machine and still need to get our dryer, so it's a little back door. Joey's litter. And then this is our little pantry here. It's actually bigger than our old pantry, which is nice. But just have the same containers as before. Then I keep our laundry stuff down here. He's so nosy. What are you doing? I'll get you some more food. Like you don't eat enough, huh? All right, I guess we're gonna go upstairs next. All right, so now we'll go up the stairs. What are you doing? And I should mention that downstairs is supposed to be more of like a winter wonderland snowflake kind of theme. That's why you see more with just whites and silvers. That's what we tried to go with here. And then upstairs is supposed to be more of like the traditional red and green colors and like kind of like Santa's workshop as they go up. Because I wanted to do both colors, I couldn't choose, so you get a little of both worlds. You think you're so cute, don't you? I'm gonna have to get him some more food, guys. He's so impatient. All right, so here's going up the stairs, this lovely contraption here. And I just have this red and green tinsel acting as my garland. And then this cute little joy sign. It's actually made of little Christmas ornaments from Hobby Lobby. So just go up here. So there's a little window right there. And here's the main area. So right here we just have this little mini tree. It's like 3 foot, I think. It's in a Santa basket. You can't really tell. Well, maybe you can. And then we just have some little red ornaments. I love this. Dear Santa, I'll be nice after coffee. Totally describes me. And then it's actually Joey's paw print from a few years ago that I made. So here's the bathroom, which, yes, there's carpet in the bathroom and it drives me nuts. It's literally disgusting. But just have to deal with it for now. I have a little stocking on the door. Toilet, fun stuff. There's this little Santa Claus that my grandma gave me. And then the sink area, I have this little tinsel tree, and there's a picture of my fiance and I from 2016 together. And of course, more Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. And excuse the dirty mirrors. I did not get to the windows and mirrors yet. Actually, I did do them downstairs, but not upstairs. And then I have this little reindeer, little hand towel. And then just shower here, which I need to get a new curtain. Towel rack, and then there's this little closet in here where it's dark. We keep our laundry and extra towels and linens in there. It's like our new little linen closet. And straight across from the bathroom is our bedroom. I have a little stocking on the door here. And it's basically the same exact setup as our last bedroom, just smaller. So here's a little overview. We just have our dresser, closet, and the bed, my vanity. So the bed's the same. I just added this red and, I was about to say red and green, but it's just like a red plaid scarf to make it a little more festive. And yep, our dresser's it's in really good shape right now. Need to get a new one. And then just to decorate here, I just have this little snowman. So cute. And then this ho-ho sign. Closet is actually bigger than our last one, but I need to get a couple more bins for my robes and stuff. But all my clothes are here and his clothes are there. It's the same layout as our old closet too. And then we have both of our nightstands, and if they look yellow, it's because they are. We painted them white because they were black, and then when we went and put the stain on, the stain was supposed to be colorless, it ended up being tinted, so now they're yellow. We'll have to go back and sand over it or something because it drives me nuts. They look so good, and then the stain just ruined it. The same little nightstand decorations on both sides, just lamp, love you more and love you most signs, a little candle, and then our fake orchid plants. Same bedding, same N and E sign. And then my little vanity is the same too. The trash over here. This is my makeup drawers. And then I got this little girly tree just to, I don't know, liven the space up over here. And it's just like my girly dream. All rose gold and pink. So cute. I love it. So that's our bedroom. And my cat again. Joe, are you following me? Don't mind all these carpets, like I said, they're disgusting, but I can't do anything about it. This leads to the attic here. I'm not gonna show you that because it's not finished and it's just nothing, I don't know, nothing cute up there, I guess. And then this is just an extra bedroom. It doesn't have anything in it, so wasn't gonna show you an empty bedroom. And then we just have a stocking on the door there. And then here is my fiance's office room slash Joey's room. So we keep his cat tower in here. And it's got a little Santa Paws stocking on the door here. This carpet is even nastier looking. So like I said, we just have his tower over here, his toys. And then this room's actually pretty messy. Just some workout stuff. And then his desk and tools. Not much to it. We have this little Santa Claus, and this, I've had this forever. It's It's just a little train tree thing. There's not been much to see here, so this about wraps up the house, guys. It's just 2 stories and a few bedrooms, so that's about it. Do you have anything else to say, Mr. Joe? No? Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing this sort of, kind of finished house tour / Christmas decoration tour. Really weird video, but I'll let you know if any progress is done. Sorry, my hair is like disgusting. Ooh, I need to wash it. But yeah, I'll just keep putting stuff together, and we need to start decorating more and seeing if we're gonna be able to paint or do anything to help remodel, because some of these things I can't stand the carpet. But it's still a lot more space and it's cheaper than our last place, and it's just nice to be closer to family. So it's just what we have for now, and really happy about it. So I hope you enjoyed this weird video and like to see more like this, I guess. All right, see you guys. Bye.